Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check on the Epson EcoTank L3210, L3250, ET-2400 series and similar models without using a computer. This is a quick way to see if your printhead is clogged and how bad the clogging might be. First, turn off your printer and wait until all the lights on the panel go completely dark. Then load at least 5 sheets of paper into the rear tray. Now press and hold the stop button, then the power button, and keep both pressed for about 5 seconds. Release them together and the printer will get started. It takes about 15 seconds before the nozzle check page comes out, so don't touch anything and just be patient. It's working in the background. Alright, here it is. This page is the nozzle check. On the left, you'll see the black printhead, and on the right, the color printheads. The line should look solid and complete, just like this sample. If you see gaps or broken lines, that means the printhead is starting to clog. Even though this printer doesn't have a screen, you can still run a cleaning cycle using just the buttons. If you want to know how, check out the link I've added in this video. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more printer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.